Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time. I have been so busy with work, so it's been kind of taking my time off what I like to do, which is my makeup and reading and stuff. So but this is today's look, and I decided to do more neutrals because I was gonna do a ColourPop makeup only, but most of the ColourPop I have is like pinkish and stuff, and I already did that. I wanted to switch it up, but I got the Jeffree Star Orgy palette, and I really wanted to play with it. I just couldn't, and I was trying to go for a natural look, but then I don't know how to do that. Surprisingly, I can do all this, but I don't know how to make it natural. So this is the palette. I am so excited that I got it and able to use it. This is it, and it is for anybody that likes browns, nudes, those kind of colors. It's not into like rainbow colors. I think this one would be great for you because it has a bunch of different colors, like right here to use for transition, cut crease, for smoky eyes. Oh, it's actually more shades, so it's trying to hold it without breaking it. More colors at the bottom to make a smoky look. If you want subtle look, you know, there's a lot of options on this one. I was very excited to use it. I'm not gonna lie, it was really nice. It's really good. I don't think I'm ever gonna buy another nude palette because I think this is it. For me, at least, this is it. And then for the shimmer, Jeffree has one called Mini Orgy, and I used 2 of them. These are all shimmers. The big one is all mattes. This is all shimmers. I wanted to use that one, but like I said, I already did pinks on my last video. The last video that I still need to upload, but I didn't want to do pinks again. So I used gagging and glass sweat. So this I use in the inner corner on the edges, gagging right here and right here at the bottom. Really pretty, and they are very pigmented, and you'll see. So I would say be careful, because I was actually, first of all, didn't have a plan of what I wanted to do, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try to do something natural, and then this happened. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So I already primed my eyelid, just one, because I'm only gonna do one eye. And you know what, I think I'm gonna go with this one called knee pads. Nope, where'd it go? This one. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this one, and then I'm gonna try to do a smoky look. So I'm gonna start with this one. Right here. I didn't set the eye primer because I wanted to see how it works. I don't know why I would set it. I don't know where I learned that from. But the primer has a really nice like sticky, so that I feel that is how the eyeshadows will work best. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Like right now. I am going to add invitation only. This one right here. Right there. make it darker. I think I will make it darker, and I think I'm going to use one that's called Orgy. Or should I do this one? No. I'll do this one. This one's called I'm Close. Accidentally touched the color here, and I was trying to clean it and just made it worse. So I'm gonna do I'm Closed right here. Whoa, that was, oh my god. You guys are gonna want to be very careful with this because wow, I didn't need to do much. I hope that's not too much. Okay, go back with this one. I haven't added any color. I'm just gonna try to make it blend here. That was really intense. Okay, I am gonna add some color because I don't like how it looks harsh. That was very intense. See, I told you I didn't have a plan. So now I figure something out. Wow, that looks very dark. Okay. You know, I'm just gonna fill this in. I'm gonna go back to, you know what? I'm gonna go something lighter because that is very intense. So I am going to use a new brush and probably go with I'm Shy, just so that I can not in the that was too dark. I did not mean to do that. Then I'm gonna go back to invitations only. Back to the one that I did on Shy, but I haven't added any color. Back to invitations only. I haven't added any color. Yeah, so much for wanting to go a little bit more natural. But I think this is it. That's what I'm gonna do. And add a shimmer. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth because I want this to look nice. I for some reason forgot how pigmented these palettes are, so be careful. If you want a natural look, just be very careful. I will use... See, these two looks familiar. Like, I mean similar, but it has... If I shift it, there you go. It has a different undertone. I'm gonna do gagging. And let's see, let's do it with the brush first. Dry. Let's do it wet. If that doesn't work, then we'll use finger. The inner corner, I'm going to use glass wet. So right here. Oh my god, I think this one's gonna be better with the finger. Okay, I'm gonna. Here goes nothing. That you can see it very well. Now for the under eyes, I still haven't found the one I lost, and this one's still. I did a whole Ulta haul, and I bought a bunch of e.l.f. stuff and stuff that was you know, just inexpensive makeup products, and it was a long video. I'm not even done editing it, and I don't know if I ever want to do another store haul because it's too much. And I have a full-time job, so I don't have the time to spend editing like I would love to. So that's that. So I am going to put this at the bottom. I don't have a clean sponge, so yeah, I don't recommend LA Girl. The colors are beautiful, but the product, like, it falls apart. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. liner. So what I'll do is a little bit, just very little of that unclose. There, I still have some in the brush. Oh, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna tap it like very lightly. That was very lightly. Oh my god. That was the lightest tap I ever done, and it's so dark already. So if you're not looking to do something that dark, just be very careful. I'm gonna use this, and it helps me switch colors because I didn't wash my brushes and I have a limited amount of brushes right now. Invitations only. Gagging, there you go, the word gagging. Alright, all done with that eye. I'm gonna do the next eye and then I'll be right back with the final look. Alright guys, this is the final look. I added a highlighter from one of Jeffree Star's mystery box for Halloween. So I used this one. And it looks like this. And then, I don't know if I can show it. Maybe if I put... But it has a gold tint on it. And for the lips, I use the liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star also, but I also use my first lip liner from Jeffree Star. It's so smooth and so nice. I used Dominatrix. And then I blended it in with Leo. I'm starting to really like this color, but Leo, because I feel like these two match my eye color. Normally you're not. I don't know what the rules of makeup are, but I match it if I want to. And then the same eyelashes from last time, which are these ones right here from Kiss. I love these. They're called Flirty. I really like them. And then I dragged my eyeliner a little bit more. I'll wait for this to focus. So I dragged my eyeliner a little bit more this way, just to create a better, I don't know, smoky look. And of course the bottom eyeliner to make so that my eyes don't disappear.